The momentum of the group far exceeds the momentum of any one person, and it becomes really exciting.
We actually get outside and we go together and paint, and the whole story of us being together and traveling and painting is really part of the attraction of the show.
As a group of painters that want to highlight some of the unseen areas of Canada, expressing that, I think, is one of the most important things for us to do.
That's why we go there and get together a couple times a year and we go to these places.
I think it's about exploration to a certain extent. We like to go places we haven't been before.
Painting outside is so very different than being in a studio. The sun is moving and the shadows are changing and the clouds are going, and you've got a very limited time to capture the essence of what you're seeing.
You get caught up in the movement of things, and it affects the movement of your brushes.
You need to move quickly, and I think that gives the paintings an energy of their own.
We didn't realize it, but it's timely for us to do what we're doing.